Hello, my name is Shreyas and I'm a mechanical engineer currently pursuing MTech, and I was a student for SolidWorks at KeyLynk Private Limited. It was a wonderful experience to learn and enhance my skills on 3D modeling, where it was most important for me to learn the skills and to learn the complex 3D modeling for my upcoming projects. The approach and the methodology adopted by KeyLynk professionals to teach the students is one of the best way for any of the student to develop new skills. Now I'm able to build any complex 3D models in an easier and quicker way. The materials which are prepared by KeyLynk professionals would also help for any of the fresher to learn the new skills from basic to a pro. Thank you.